What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this Brita right here. Now, I've had this for over 6 months and it's been the perfect thing. So let's go ahead and take a look. So right off the bat, one of my favorite things that I love about this Brita is the actual spout, because when you go to get water and then you turn it off, there's no water that drips down at all. It closes that valve off. I've had ones in the past where, again, I go to fill it up and then I close it and then water drips down, it gets everywhere. This, you don't have to worry about that. And as you can see, you can have the spout over the edge of your counter, no problem. There's no like issues with this flipping over or anything like that. Now, as we take a look at the Brita here, one thing you want to know is that, is it ready to go out of the box? Yes, it is. It does come with the filter. And if you're wondering about size here, so this can do 27 cups of water. You know, that's much larger than you would get out of their pitchers and things like that. And it sort of has this more rectangle shape, which makes it really easy to go ahead and fit in your refrigerator. The top section does open up pretty easily. Now, you can open the front if you need to fill it, but if you need to replace the filter is right here. Like I said, this filter does come with it, so you are good to go out of the box. Now, filling this up is really easy. So you could put it in your sink, or a lot of times what I do is I just put it right beside my sink. I get my faucet, I open the front here, and I simply turn on my water and I go ahead and fill it up. Now, there is a fill line in here, and I feel like I fill it up twice and it fills pretty much the entire thing. Now, you can see, of course, the filter is filtering our water right here. And one thing that's really nice about this is that when you have it completely filled up, and even if there's water here in the top, when you pick it up and you maybe move it around like this, the water doesn't spill out. That's one thing I actually really like about this. Getting this in your refrigerator is really easy. You simply just put it in just like this. And I found it's really easy to go ahead and put in a refrigerator that has sort of like this bin right here, because it fits nicely right on the side. And again, its design makes it so you can just easily go ahead and slide it right in and then have your spout ready to go. When it's all said and done, I think this is a great Brita. It's extremely easy to use. It comes with everything out of the box, so you get the filter and everything. You don't need to buy anything extra. Super easy to fill up. The capacity, of course, is the really big thing. 27 cups, which is much larger than you would get in the normal pitcher size Britas. The spout is great too, because when you turn it off, it actually turns off. There's no dripping water. Easy to fill up, easy to pick up, and it's thin, so it's gonna fit in most refrigerators. So again, if you are looking for a great Brita, this is one that I would definitely recommend.